Good morning. What time is it?
Currently 6:19.
Cannot see.
Focus.
No, it's not focus.
Oh, still cannot see.
No, can see. Let's go open.
Opening.
It's not good.
I know. Do the talking. So, good morning, everyone. The weather is so nice today, and currently it's about 6:20, and we are just leaving our house. Oh, why we speaking English? No. ដល់ចេញពីផ្ទះឥឡូវហ្នឹងគោលដៅរបស់យើងហ្នឹងគឺអត់ទាន់ដឹងឡើយទេថាថ្ងៃហ្នឹងយើងដើរ10គីឡូឬក៏តាម8គីឡូហើយដើរចាប់ធំអីគេមកទន្លេឬក៏ទៅដល់កណ្ដាលអញ្ចឹង let's see ថាអាចដើរបានតាមណាគោលដៅផឹកទឹកស្ដែក Yeah, me too. That's so good. You guys should probably ផឹកទឹកស្ដែកជាមួយអីគេពងមួន and then oh let me tell you
You never know me.
let me tell you one thing so about that ទឹកស្ដែកគេកន្លែងហ្នឹងនៅទឹកនៅម្ដុំមាត់ទន្លេហ្នឹងអានឹងមុខវែងហ្នឹងទៅពេលយើងទៅដល់មានអ៊ីវៀតណាម
I'm a product of my generation. Nothing holds my attention for a long duration. Too much of even a good thing can leave me feeling bored.
It's good for like early morning kind of hangover with you ចូលក្លឹបចូលអី hangover អីចឹងបែរនេះអស់3500ឯង so stay Orang cepat.
Yeah.
So pretty.
I am a product of my generation. Nothing holds my attention for a long duration. Too much of even a good thing can leave me feeling bored.
Running. Where are you running to?
Running to bomb.
So what time is it? What time now?
Read a book before reaching 20 pages.
Well,
Okay, everyone តែអ្នកនរគ្នាចឹងឥឡូវនេះគឺម៉ោង7
12នាទី
ម៉ោង7 12នាទីចឹងយើងចេញពីផ្ទះមកម៉ោង 6:20 ឥឡូវនេះយើងមកដល់មាត់ទន្លេក្នុងម៉ោង 7 12នាទី Still less than 1 hour. Woohoo! Good job.
So intoxicating, but by August,
Good job, Kaylee.
it's gotten kind of cold. And in September,
Yeah. អញ្ចឹងពួកខ្ញុំមាន one concern មួយហ្នឹងគឺថា
exhilarating,
អ៊ីលក់ទឹកស្ដែកអត់មកទេ
ប្រហែលជាអត់មកពួកឯងមើលពីនេះទៅ
grab is just
ប្រហែលជាអ្នកនរគ្នាមើលឃើញទេប៉ុន្តែបើមើលពីនេះទៅគឺអត់ឃើញអាទេអ៊ីលក់ទឹកស្ដែកទេ
there's an exception.
We will find a coffee
One
soon.
thing
correct
I love
តែដែរដល់កណ្ដាលចឹង
eternity.
Walk with me.
ចឹង
For there
ទៅ explore កាហ្វេនៅកណ្ដាលមួយពួកខ្ញុំ
too
Bye.
much of you for me.
អូខេដល់គ្នា update យើងមកពីនេះទៅគឺឃើញអត់ទេអ៊ីលូទឹកស្ដាយចេះចឹងយើងនៅតែផឹកទឹកស្ដាយហើយយើងនៅតែទៅ explore កាហ្វេដដែលតែឥឡូវហ្នឹងចុះឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាមើលថាទឹកស្ដាយហ្នឹងទឹកល្ងខ្មែររបស់គាត់ណាគឺមិនឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចមកហៅគាត់បានបើមិនជាអ្នកនរគ្នារបៀបថាដើរពេលផឹកឬក៏ដើរយក hangover អីចឹងអាចញ៉ាំទឹកតែគាត់ឲ្យចាំទៅដែរក៏បានដែរចាំខ្ញុំប្រាប់ចាំខ្ញុំ show ចាំខ្ញុំ
In the arms of a lover, feel so warm and so divine. But by tonight, I'm needing my space. And on a night when the
Nhâm nhô tức là ngò đây ý.
rain
Anh đã ý.
It's not long for I'm longing for someone to embrace me. Always build each road.
Mình ta mau mà tại em mau để tại con chưa rồi
I'd love through all eternity. For there never could be
y bao nhiêu
too much
bánh
of
đại
you
thoáng bây thì
for me. Too much
Cheers.
of you for me. No, there never could be
ô sao này
too much of you.
tất đấy lầnนี้ยังcoi hai ta đang what are we excited about cô ở trên nhóm bộ đó
Bộ nâng cầu. Ôi,
wow
nó xinh chèn. Bắt bên trừ. Bắt ai đó. Bắt chào.
this is my
Dạ không nói chào đến đi. Con lôi cái đầu.
តកូលទៀតអ្នកគ្នាចង់ this is a sign ដែលអ្នកគ្នាគាត់តែសាឡបងខំពីផឹកដើម្បីមកដើរឬក៏មកអត់ហាត់ប្រាណឬក៏គ្រាន់តែជិះមកមើលទេសភាពអីចឹងព្រលឹមឡាយដើម្បី change perspective មើលគេមកអីរបៀបថាមកផឹកកាហ្វេអីពេលផឹកចឹងណាតើអាកាសធាតុឥឡូវហ្នឹងវានៅអំណោយផលព្រោះអីតែដាច់ខែហ្នឹងចូលខែ2ឬក៏ខែ3អីហ្នឹងអាកាសធាតុច្បាំងក្តៅវិញហីអញ្ចឹងតើអាកាសធាតុនៅល្អអ្នកគ្នាគាត់តែនាំគ្នាចេញក្រៅពេលផឹកឲ្យបានច្រើនហើយមក enjoy ទេសភាពបែបនេះតាដា
Ở đây tôi xem.
ញ៉ាំហើយត្រូវទៅតឆ្អែតដល់ស្លូត
Chạy lên sau. Tất cả cái đầu tiên.
ឆ្អែតក៏តលន់និយាយតាមត្រង់ឆ្អែតអត់មានចុកខ្មៅលើមាត់អុយចោល
ញ៉ាំ
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញអត់មកទៅសភាពអូយញាក់សាច់
I am a product of my generation. Nothing holds my
អ្នកមាន
attention
គូអ្នក
for a long duration. Too much of even a good thing can leave me feeling bored.
ក្រោយទៅកុំឲ្យក្រោយទៅអ្នក single
Yeah.
oh my god that's a good one just now
I quit a book before reaching 20 pages. I quit a job before my first week's wages. I'll leave a floor show if I'm not completely floored. And in April, the sun feels new and so intoxicating. But by August, it's gotten kind of old. And in September, the breeze I describe as exhilarating. By late December, I describe as
This is
just
my first
plain
time.
cool, but
my first time seeing him
as with
នៅ
each
ពេលដែលខ្ញុំដើរ
road,
នេះតែខ្ញុំដើរគាត់ខាងជាងទេតែ
exception. One thing I love through all eternity. For there never could be too much of you for me.
What is the another funny part វឡុកនេះគឺ supposed to be ជា load first vlog ហើយខ្ញុំជា special guest featuring នៅក្នុង vlog ប៉ុន្តែឥឡូវហ្នឹង I'm the one who do the talking and she the one who ហុកថៃលបោយចាទេ
I don't put to my vlog.
Okay setting the bed
In the arms of a lover, feels so warm and so divine. But by 2 a.m., I'm needing my own space. And on a night when the bed is mine, oh mine, it's not long before I'm longing for someone's embrace. But as with each role, there's an exception. One thing I'd love through all eternity. For there never could be too much of you for me.
Finally,
Too
we are.
much of you for me.
ហើយទីដល់ឆាត់
No, there
ដឹង
never
ឥឡូវនេះឡងមែនទេ
could
តំ
be
ណែងចាំ edit នៅក្នុងវីដេអូ
too much of
តែឥឡូវនេះ
you
ពួកខ្ញុំបានមកដល់
for
Có nấu điện.
មើលចដាផង Of course ជាលោតថាផ្កានេះស្អាតប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំស្អាតជាង អូខេតែថ្មងលលត់ឥឡូវហើយតែវឡុកដល់ហាងកាហ្វេគឺដើរតដល់នេះ
I think we should try ពីនេះមកវិញ
ចឹងវាឆៃឆ្អែតដល់ចឹងឯងថ្មីអូខេចឹងនេះឥឡូវនេះឃើញតែសភាពគាត់នៅរៀននៅពេលផឹកអត់ក៏ប៉ុន្តែថ្ងៃនេះកាស៊ីវាអត់សូវមានថ្ងៃផងដោយសារបបកវាក្រាស់អីអញ្ចឹងហ្នឹងណា See so pretty but okay tell your viewer how are we feeling ដល់គាត់នៅរៀន
we are not tired the main point
អត់ថៃអត់ចឹងរត់ដងគិតថាមកពីអាកាសធាតុផងអីផងចឹងគាត់ដល់ដល់នេះដល់កន្លែងកាហ្វេដែលពួកខ្ញុំចង់ទៅហ្នឹងចុកជើងបាត់ដីចុកមួយចាប់ផ្ដើមងាកងក់ដាក់គ្នាខ្លួនចង់ទៅទេហើយតែថ្ងៃនេះដោយសារកាស៊ីវាត្រជាក់ផងហើយអត់ដល់ថ្ងៃthe confidence that she hold you guys I can never but yeah that's good we support women empowerment women strong in Cambodiaយើងដើរមកមួយខែពេលផឹកហ្នឹងណាតើ you ឃើញថា what are the 3 main things that you reflect back how you ឃើញថា you improve ឬក៏ you feel like differently
I think first perspective
មកយើងអាហ្នឹង can you
it's just like you see random activity on the street and then you somehow you feel like oh people might be busy and then they will be want to enjoy the activity then in the afternoon or evening or something but actually they just make time whenever they want so in the morning they still like okay you are muối and my body wise it feel like I don't have to go to gym much like before
fit
yes
despite reduce the amount of going to gym amount of time of going to gym អញ្ចឹងទៅ like that right
it also make me strong
wow that's a lot
good You order ហើយ